What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Noob YouTube channel where we don't turn on our webcam and we have our mic muted. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody had a good day. I am tired. This, again, is going to be a little bit of a quick one. They're short-staffed at work and they kind of begged me to come in tonight, and I'm like, all right, sure, I'll come in. So, got to knock this out and then head into work. What's up, GG? What's up, Jack? What's up, Rise and Shine? What's up, Alan? How's it going, Sarah? What's up, Sleazy? Hey, GT man. Nice, Rise and Shine. That's awesome. What's up, Professor X? We'll just start out. We were calling out some shit today, right? In Keenan's. Bro, why are you so big? This was technically the first thing I said. I had said if we broke and hold a level, we were going higher. But that didn't play out, so I didn't bother sharing it. Hey, what's up, Corey? What's up, Banner? So that was the retest. Why is it so zoomed in? Here. Let me turn off session volume profile so you can see a little bit better. That was this candle here where I said if we retest 578.08, that was your short entry. And it, nailed it pretty much to a T. And then right when we got, I actually called it out like a second late just because I type slow. But I was trying to say to close like when it was right here at the far side of the VWAP. But by the time I typed it, it had bounced a little bit. But this was the next message I sent. 8:06 a.m. Not a bad spot to close puts. And for me, that was like, yeah, right between these two candles, right? So, and that's where we bounced. And then I was talking about this area was huge. Like we were either going to get a bounce up or a big candle down. And I had said their target was 76.08, I want to say. Right there. And so we have a little conversation here. Drop asked me, do I think it breaks low of day? I'm like, no. 576.03. Oh, so 03, not 08. So then that was my next target for putties. And then somebody else asked, you in calls at 576.03, and I said, yes, you could. And that would have worked out very well, right? I went to bed. Again, from working last night, I was really tired. So I went to bed. So I didn't call out the calls part, but definitely could have took calls there. Anyway, hopefully you guys ate off of those levels. Was pretty dope. What's up, Professor X? Oh, wait, I think I already said hi to you, but hi again. Jack, I already said hi to you. What's up? What's up, Triple G? Yeah, no worries, Melvin. What's up, David Ryan? Yeah, we're safe. Everything's cool. What's up, J. Marie? Nice, Alan. But stop doubting yourself. What's up, Raven? What's up, Nora? How you doing, my girl? All right, so let's just chart up SPY really quick. I don't know. Lately, it's been pretty hard to call the levels, for me at least, when the market's closed. Like we're having trend days and gaps down and gaps up and whatever else. Oh, really quick. Our snow February, and actually I shouldn't say our, this is Shorty's play. I don't want to take credit for it, and if it doesn't work, I also don't want to be responsible for it. But it probably works, right? But this is our play for February, 192. Even with, like the market like kind of selling off, snow's been pretty strong, so that's a good sign. And then I saw people talking about calls on AMD, like, now that we're back inside of this yellow box, could work out well. I never shared this play with you guys. I guess I should have. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff like this on my chart where I know where it's going to go, but like there was a key like support level too close below my entry, so I'm like, no, I can't share that with you guys. Yeah, but now that we're back inside of this yellow box, like it could be okay for calls, but we could also just be making a massive bear flag here. So if we look at this, then their next target is 112. So normally this is where I would try to grab puts on a bear flag. We're in the golden fib zone. If it hits the 50% retracement, this is where you close puts on a flag, bull flag or bear flag. But the golden pocket is a good place to get in. Most retail traders would try to enter on breaking this level at the bottom, and then you're losing quite a bit of the play, right? But so this is like your next price target if this level gets lost. If we go over 518.70, you're probably golden on calls. Okay. Hey, what's up, Katsu? Hey, Asai. And then also, Shorty will be live tonight, 7 p.m. Market update for futures. Excuse me. Alrighty, let's move our daily levels forward. A lot of you might not know this, but like I'm pescatarian, and so basically it just means I don't eat like red meat or chicken or whatever. I just eat fish and vegetables. And today my wife and my son got me like a vegan corn dog. I don't know what they were using for the, meat, but it was actually bomb. But it was weird because it was like sweet but also savory. So like the outside had like cinnamon sugar on it, but they also put like I think it was ketchup and mustard on the outside, and there was some kind of sauce inside. Dude, it was bomb. It was weird, but it was bomb. Almighty Beard Man, I would follow whatever ES is really like. Oh, excuse me. There's no pour low on ES. Single prints. Alrighty. Let's take a look at TPO. Oh, we have a spike, huh? This could be huge tomorrow. I think they just shorted this level, right, on ES. I could be wrong. Oh no, it was an older spike. Okay. I shouldn't have looked at that right now. I don't like having a biased basis when I'm looking at charts, but whatever. It's done. Let's see how today looked. That's kind of wild. I mean, I guess like we made a spike at the end of the day, but for some reason I was not expecting a green candle. Yeah. Wake up. We filled the Trump gap, right? Very nice. Volume today is pretty... They have a capital B-shaped profile, so double distribution. I mean, that's fairly obvious. So lowercase b. Tomorrow's going to be an interesting day. Let's look at what we have as far as news. Oh, yeah. So this is going to be huge. An hour before the market opens. Absolutely huge. All right. I doubt they give this to us, but calls here. Just in case. If we open above the spike, probably just slap calls, or if you're more patient, wait for a retest of October POC and target your previous week value area low. Depending on how I'm feeling tomorrow, I'll try to call stuff out in the chat again. I was pretty tired today. I'm sure I'm going to be even more tired tomorrow, but we'll see. Anybody have any questions? Diablo. I don't really play that much. Like, most of the video games I play is because me and my son will play together. And so, yeah, for a little minute there, we were playing Diablo together. And then we were playing Sea of Thieves together. We were playing State of Decay 2 together. Trying to think what else. I'm sure there's more, but those are the main ones that come to mind. He's always like trying to get me to... Oh, we were playing No Man's Sky together as well. He's always trying to get me to play first-person shooters because, well, a lot of people won't know this, but I used to play on a pro team back in the day. And so I'm pretty deadly accurate in first-person shooters, but I just, after playing at that level, like, I have no desire to play first-person shooters. I mean, I kind of don't really have much of a desire to play video games in general, but, you know, with my son, yeah, of course, it's, you know, time together, doing stuff that he loves. Dude, my mic boom is, like, making me crazy right now. And so, yeah, I'm all for it, playing with him. Yeah, I loved Diablo 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, Spoon, I'm not looking at A and F. I mean, I can glance at it and see if I see anything, but I'm not charting. Like I said, I have to go to work. Abercrombie and Finch. I guess, like, you should just kind of know what to do here. So, accumulated, ripped, came back, ripped, came back, bounced, came back, bounced, back, bounced. And now we're back again, and we're already bouncing. Nice, GT, man. Yeah, my son likes Minecraft too, but I don't know. I could never get into that. Yeah, Sea of Thieves is funny. I remember, like, dumb crap, like, because, like, I didn't really know how to play the game, so we would, like, go to an island and, like, park our boat or whatever, dock our boat, and we would go, you know, like, run around on the island or whatever. I didn't realize that the stupid, like, skeletons would, like, shoot your boat while you're on the island. And so you, like, go back to your boat and it's sinking or whatever. Crazy. Yeah, no, Spoon, I mean, I glanced at it for you. I'm not doing, like, a full charting session on it. If I had more time, I would be open to it. But really, like, as a general rule of thumb, I only do requests for people that are friends of the stream. So, and then I always kind of feel like a ass when I don't do it for people that aren't friends of the stream, but, like, I do it for friends of a stream as a, you know, a way of giving back to them, a way to say thank you. What's up, Colby? Yeah, man, I don't know, bro. As I'm getting older, like, night shift is just getting harder and harder and harder and harder. And it's getting wild. And then my boss, I think he thinks, like, I'm Superman or some crap, because, like, I don't try to schedule myself like 4 nights in a row. And when I say that, I work 12-hour shifts, so, like, they're long nights. And he'll, like, you know, he'll move me because of staffing needs and put me on, like, 4 or 5 days in a row. And I'm like, dude, like, I'm too old to be doing 4 or 5 nights in a row. Like, freaking tired, bro. So, Spoon, you see the people above you typing that have little circles with stars next to your name? I think, like, the minimum on YouTube is, like, 99 cents to be a friend of the stream. And it's, like, a monthly subscription thing. It's not something that I push or I ask for. If I'm being real with everybody, like, I'm kind of surprised that I don't have more people that are friends of the stream. Because, I don't know, I just feel like I give and give and give, like, my time, levels, call out trades for you guys, and 99 cents is nothing. But it's also just really not a big deal. Like, I do this stuff to try to give back and help people. So, but really, like anything I generate from YouTube, which isn't much, I just throw into an account for my kids, college fund, whatever. Yeah, no worries, Rudy. Let me know if you guys have questions, because otherwise I'm going to dip out and chillax before I go get ready for work. Yeah, well, so GT man, on the same note, I couldn't do day shift. Because, like, what's the best way to word this? I don't like authority. Whatever it is. When I say this, I don't want it to sound horrible, but, like, I don't like cops. With that said, I have some very good friends that are police officers. I don't have anything against cops per se, but I don't like them when they're in their, what's it called? When they're in their authoritarian role. Because, like, they can just make crap up and ruin your life, and it's crazy. Like, you see the videos on YouTube all the time. But the same thing just at work, like, I don't want to, like, I don't have anything personal, like, against my boss. Me and him actually get along very well. We have a good relationship. He likes me. I like him. But I don't know. I just always feel uneasy, like, when I'm around, whatever administration and supervisors and stuff like that. And so working night shift, I don't have to see any of them, and it just works better for me. I didn't know that, Almighty Beardman, but that's cool. Wait, do you know if... I thought you said, do you know that they offer it? Do I know if Funded Futures Quantower offers footprints like Top Step? What do you mean? What's Funded Futures Quantower? Because I know Funded Futures is like a prop firm, and then you're talking about Quantower, which is confusing me. When did I become profitable? I don't know. I think a couple of years ago. The big shift for me was like I was making money, like trading options. I was profitable. It was just really painful because, like, you would enter trades that, like, the direction, whatever, you pick everything correctly, your entry's good, and then it just chops sideways and then finally goes to your price target. And, like, if you're lucky, you made a little bit of money. And that was very frustrating. And when I switched to futures and there's no theta decay, that was it. Done deal. It just, like, not having to deal with data decay and stuff was, like, when things really took off for me. Oh, that's cool, GT man. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like to be told. I don't like to be told what to do. Oh, thank you, Spoon. I appreciate that. Yeah, Sleazy, it doesn't even matter. Like, like, I guess, again, 99 cents is nothing, right? But it's like, hey, thank you. Like, and there's enough members that, like, 99 cents does actually add up to something, that could really, like, help my children's future or whatever. So, of course, like, I would really appreciate it. Hey, thanks, Stock Sauce. What was I saying? Like, just the other day, like, I don't even want to say what role they play in the hospital, but, like, I got into a big old argument with somebody, like, where we were in the middle of an emergency. And I think when I look back, I think the whole thing was, like, just a huge misunderstanding on his behalf. So he's technically, like, in the hierarchy of whatever the hospital, he would be in a higher position than me. And he had told the nurse, like, hey, like, let's put in an order for this. And I heard him because I wasn't that far away. So I knew what he wanted. But I was like, I need to suction this patient. Like, they're drowning. And so I kind of like power walked past them. And he was like, hey, I put in an order for an ABG. And I'm like, yeah, I know. And I didn't mean it like dismissively. I was just rushing because we're in the middle of an emergency. And I think he took it as like me being a know-it-all or whatever. But that wasn't the case at all, right? I'm just like, saying, okay, yeah, I heard, like I heard it. And not in a dismissive way, just replying quickly so I can try to take care of this patient. And anyway, one thing leads to another. And I tried to say something to him, and he interrupts me and goes, yeah, I know. And I'm like, no, so what I was saying, yeah, I know. No, I was saying, yeah, I know. And he just kept interrupting me, and I'm like, what the hell, dude? Like, this is weird. Thank you, Almighty Beard Man. I appreciate that. And GT Man, I don't really know how to do it. Like, for people that are on iPhones, I don't think it's very user friendly, but I know that on a desktop it's pretty easy. Like, you click the $sign and it's one of the options. And I think if you're on Android, same thing. You click the $sign and it's one of the options. But so like it was just a weird interaction, right? And I'm just like, what's going on? And then we take the patient down to ICU. And as soon as they walk through the door, this dude starts yelling at me, right? Like I'm a child. And I'm literally like, I don't know who the fuck you think you're talking to, but I'm not a child. You better lower your voice. Like, I'm not about it. Like, and so we're yelling back and forth. And I was like, I really don't know what your problem is, but you were acting like this upstairs, And then basically, long story short, we both ended up apologizing to each other and squashing it. But like, I don't know, just I'm not the one. I've worked at that hospital for like 20 years, and like 6 months into me working there, I threatened to punch a doctor because he was yelling at me. And I don't know where like these people, think they are, but like you're not dealing with children, you're dealing with professionals, and like you raise your voice at me, it's not going to go well. I don't care where we are. Like, it's just not going to go well. So, and probably the only reason I still have my job there after that happened was because I was right. And one of the other doctors pulled that doctor aside and was like, hey, like, you were totally out of line. He saved that person's life. And it was probably a really stressful situation for him. And then you're yelling at him for doing the right thing. And yeah, so anyway, that's why I prefer night shift. It's just easier for me. Yeah. I mean, of course, Wayne, I'm never trying to go there. I'm probably painting myself like in a very bad light. This is like 2 situations in like a 20-year time frame, But I'm a very chill person. But like I don't, like especially in a work environment, I don't have any patience for a grown man or woman. It doesn't matter. Like raising their voice at me. Like, who do you think you are? Like, are you crazy? Yeah, Britt. So then you know what's up. They think it's okay to like yell at nurses all the time, and I'm like, no. I mean, I'm not a nurse. I'm a respiratory therapist, but like, I'm not your child. Like, don't be raising your voice at me. Like, just not gonna happen, Yeah. But so, I mean, really, like, day-to-day life, I mean, you guys see me, like, I don't pretend to be anything that I'm not. So, like, when you guys see me in here talking and whatever, this is really, like, who I am. I'm a very chill, easygoing, like, giving person. If I like you, like, I'll go out of my way to help you. And it's very difficult to make me not like you. You know what I mean? Like, you have to, like, try to make me not like you kind of thing. So, don't want to paint myself in a super crazy light, but yeah, I'm a really chill guy all in all. Jack, you're crazy, bro. Yeah, I don't want that kind of free food in a bed, because then you also don't get the comforts of sleeping next to your wife. So, yeah. Yeah, no swing trading on futures. All right, everyone. I think that's going to do it. As always, huge thank you to the people that are subbed to the stream. Really appreciate it. The people that chit chat and interact, you guys really like help, keep things interesting. And, your questions probably help other people with stuff that they were wondering themselves. Like I mentioned, Shorty's going to be live at 9 p.m. Eastern tonight, so probably don't want to miss that. And what else? Oh, special thank you to all the friends of the stream, and also to the new friends of the stream. Love you too, Stock Sauce. And yeah, I'll have a chill night at work, GT man. Thank you. If you're new, I would appreciate a sub. Helps out the stream, helps us get out to more people. Basically, you might not see it like from today's video, but we give it all away for free. We teach. We don't, ask for anything in return. We're not trying to sell a service or sell courses or discords or anything like that. So everything is here. There's no paywalls. There is a Discord. If you do want to join, it's not mine. It's my mentor's, but it's not necessary. But the whole focus of that Discord is learning and teaching. And it's not cheap, I'll say that, but you're learning from a market maker. So it's pretty amazing. Love you too, Rise and Shine. Thank you, Wayne T. Will do. Thank you, Almighty Beard Man. Yeah, thank you all. With that said, we will see you tomorrow afternoon. We'll go live. Hopefully tomorrow I can look at some option trades. Tuesdays are generally pretty busy for me, but what I'll probably do is just wake up early and look over stuff for you guys, and then go about the rest of my evening. Anyway, with that said, much love, much respect. Y'all have a good rest of your night. Hope you have a good day trading tomorrow. And like I said, I'll try to call out some levels tomorrow if I see stuff in Keenan's. All right? Much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. Bye.